Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Add the mayonnaise, mustard, pickle relish, and salt and pepper and just mash it all together until the consistency is however you like it. *** Pro tip. Some folks like their deviled eggs more creamy, so if that's you then add a little more mayonnaise.
Make your mark, take our lead.
4 ways to transport deviled eggs. Mini muffin tins or ice cube trays. Set the assembled eggs in mini, or full-sized, if that's all you have, muffin tins, 1 deviled egg half per cup. Egg cartons. Deviled egg carriers. Assemble them at the destination.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Wrap the egg whites tightly with plastic wrap. Store the egg yolk mixture in a small Ziploc bag, and then when you're ready to fill the whites, simply cut off a corner of the bag and use it as a piping bag to pipe filling into the whites.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.